what's going to be top of mind for you this week besides large cap technology?
Well, Dom, you're absolutely right. This is a bit of a Super Bowl week. Next week, we obviously have the Fed meeting. So this is a very important week to get that cross-section, to get that understanding of what we are seeing. Certainly the bar has been lowered for Q3 earnings, but nonetheless, we are expecting to get a better global insight. Look at Caterpillar, look at Boeing, look at some of these names outside of mega cap technology stocks that we really want to get a better understanding of what we are seeing. Certainly, there's a lot of headwinds. We're seeing a lot of news coming out of China with new additional lockdowns, but I think this weekend earnings really give us a better understanding of what that forward guidance, what the strength of the dollar has actually done, realized damage it has done to our economy.
Okay, so if that's the case, there are a number of reports that could tell us something about what it's going to be like, bellwether type names. What's the most important report to you this week that's going to be coming out?
I think it's Caterpillar and Boeing. Those two I really want to identify. Certainly there's been themes all year in 2022. We try to get a better understanding, but Boeing's been a name as we've seen all the ebbs and flows, the fits and starts of this global reopening. I think Boeing really gives us a great insight of what we are going to see from a business travel perspective, from a global economy demand. So that's what I'm really looking at. But if you think about some of the other names, of course, Apple, wherever the tech darling takes us, we will want to see how those Apple 14 phones have been selling. But I really do look more at the blue chip tangible names outside of mega cap technology, just due to the fact we've seen such a sell-off, such a revaluation, such a reset in those tech names.
All right. So how much we know that interest rates are framing the entire discussion. Fed policy is going to be framing the entire discussion here. Is it stand to reason that these corporate earnings then don't really mean as much, given the fact that we have a Fed meeting and interest rate policy decision coming up?
No, I think they do mean a lot, Dom. Let's look at 4 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors. We are seeing earnings growth year over year positive. Obviously, it's being led by energy, industrials, and real estate. But we look at the other 7 sectors, and I get so focused on sector dislocation. And 2022 has really been a year that you've seen amplified sector dislocation. So you have an opportunity to see, but what's really kind of come to life recently? The beat-up technology sector. Last week, we saw about a 6% move in technology. But I think you have to really walk through financials, healthcare, some of these names, even biotech. You know, I manage the sector rotation portfolio. Biotech, IBB, that has been a name that has really fallen out of favor. Certainly, we bought biotech, IBB, and owned the Amgens and these different names in the wake of COVID-19. All of a sudden, now you're seeing from a relative strength perspective, you're seeing biotech come back to life. So there's all the sector dislocation underneath the surface that provides opportunity, Dom, as a lot of people have gotten so pessimistic about some of these different sectors.
All right, so speaking of pessimism about sectors, news of the day right now is the absolute hammering that's happened to Chinese technology stocks, right? So is this a scenario right now, given what we know about the National Party Congress in China, where there is an opportunity for Chinese technology stocks, or is it just way too early to tell whether this administration in China is going to crack down even harder on them?
Well, I think the expectations, you're seeing markets absolutely spooked. You know, Jack Ma had a great quote. I think among the richest men in China, few have good endings. And that's what we're seeing really priced in today. Look at PGJ. That's the Invesco Golden Dragon Index. Has a lot of these names from Alibaba, Baidu, NIO, the car maker. You're seeing that at lows back to 2013, Dom. So you're absolutely seeing a lot of companies, if it's Baidu, if it's Alibaba, or if it's NIO, now they're down 50% year to date. So this is potentially an overreaction, but at the same point, it's a consolidation of power over there. If you are a business owner, you are very fearful, and that's really making a lot of people run out of China after we've seen additional lockdowns. Look what just happened over the weekend. We're seeing Shenzhen again locked down. So all the strain on supply chain issues are really being underscored here today with this leadership change. And this wasn't done in a very subtle way, Dom. This was very, very announced.